Hi you guys and welcome back to my channel today. I'm so happy that you're with me today. I'm actually going back up. So hi you guys and welcome back. Anyway, I already did that, so I'm not going to record it because I am almost late. I'm on my way to a nail appointment and I really need to, I guess, just edit this and get this up because I'm about to go. So as you can see today by the title, I am reviewing the Jaclyn Hill Armed and Gorgeous palette. Is right here, is in my possession and I'm finally reviewing it. It has been over 2 months since this palette has finally been released and I have been rejecting to buy it, but I finally picked it up from my local Ulta, and you heard me talk about that in the video because I've already recorded it and I guess kind of giving my review on this. I'm not going to do any real swatches on this because I have literally used over, wait, there's 10 colors in this, 10 eyeshadows in this, and I literally used at least 8 of them except for 2. You know, it's fine, it's fine. I'm gonna be doing more looks on this or whatever, but I guess I'm just gonna say this is the packaging right here. It was $15 for this one package. If you buy all four of them, it's $49. So I guess that's like $11 still if instead of buying them all individually. You can pick this up from morphebrushes.com or either you can pick it up from Ulta. I picked mine up from my local Ulta and you know, all that good stuff. So it's really nice packaging. Her packaging actually reminds me of her first palette. You know, it was silver and white, and then like in here there's like specks of yellow, so you know like which palette that you actually have. Like her other one has like green and purple and red. I don't know if I'm gonna pick up her other ones yet. This look wasn't bad, but I did have some difficulties with that, and you'll see it in the video. I don't know if this is gonna be my intro or my outro, but you'll see that in the video. I do actually like the way that my look came out. My eyelid, I think the shimmer actually saved this look because, yeah, I really think the shimmer saved this look. Honestly, probably the eyelashes too, I don't know, it saved it all. But I do like the way that this look came out. I will be using this again because I do want to make multiple looks of this and get it out to you, but honestly the shimmer saved this look. So anyway, I don't know what else to say about this. Let's just get right into the look. Or if you can please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and probably share it and comment on it if you want to see specific ways that like I can use this palette with other things. I would like to know. I really don't know what to say. I think I already done said it. So oh, so I forgot I'm talking through this. So right now I'm taking the color Access and I'm literally just going to put it in my crease to the best of my ability. So to talk about this palette a little bit, I wasn't going to pick this up at first at all. Like obviously you've seen that it's been out for 2 whole months and it's been haunting me for 2 whole months because I just wasn't willing to pick it up because of all the negative reviews about it. But I kept seeing this palette, or I kept seeing this palette along with the Bling Boss palette, and I've been wanting to pick it up. And yesterday I finally picked it up and said I'm just going to try it. So I can honestly say one thing: this yellow isn't coming out as pigmented as I want it to come out. But I guess it's meant for a light wash because that's exactly what's giving me, a light ass wash. But it's not, well, the way I applied it, it doesn't come out that patchy, so I guess that's good. over it. Now I'm just going to take an M573 and go on it in the crease also with Smooth Criminal. And put that basically on top of there. And I'm grabbing a good amount of this. What I can say is it does pick up a lot of pigment. It's definitely picking up a lot of pigment. Am I doing something? This is coming out a lot darker than I wanted it to. But let's just smooth that in. I don't know what to think. I don't know what to think yet. It's coming out a lot darker than what it is in the pan on top of that. And I did prime my base with the P. Louise base. Which is what I normally do with my eyeshadows. With my colorful eyeshadows, at least I put on P. Louise base, and when I do my neutral shadows, I just put on some concealer. I don't know. I don't know if I'm about to judge this hard because of all the reviews or what, but I don't know. It looks a little bit off. To me, I just feel like that's a lot darker than, like, it's just coming out a lot darker than, what it's picking up. Am I tripping? See, even that comes off. See how that's like a brownish color? Like, in my crease, it's like a dirty brown. Does that make any sense? I'm still gonna wear this because I have to go somewhere, but it's not giving me the brown I thought it was. Like, I don't have to like build this up. Like, it's already deepen up my crease. Am I tripping? I don't know. My brushes are clean though, so that's why I'm really confused. Brushes are literally clean. I'm going to take this and just swap it on top. I'm going to put on Secure, which is right here. And I'm just trying to like put it like on top of that yellow and on top of that brown. And I'm just going to like... Okay, that works. I don't know if you can see, but it's a little bit hard. Like, this crease right here is a little bit like more of a line. I don't know if I'm used to that. I don't know. I'll go back in with that M573 and just try to like go over top of that. See if I'm tripping or not. Or is that how I normally do my eyeshadow? I don't know. I'm gonna do another eyeshadow look after this. I'm trying to at least get like 3 looks out of this palette, and we're just gonna see where we're at. Going in with Secure again and just blending it out on top. I am confused, Lord. I don't know. And then on top of that again, just a little bit more towards the top. I'm going to take Access, which is that yellow color I used at first, and lightly brush it on top. Alright, so that's it. I mean, it was... What the fuck? Okay, I can say it was quick to do. Like, I did put it on quickly. Honestly, I thought... Because I watched this palette sell out a bunch of times at Ulta. You know, maybe I was like, well, maybe if they go through it a bunch of times, they'll eventually fix their freaking formula. So this is the M421 by Morphe. All my brushes are Morphe, just by the way. So if you don't like that, I don't know what to tell you, because that's literally all I have. I picked it up from, well, I picked it up from Ulta, but it's from Morphe, and it's their 167. This is really nice flat shadow brush, And I'm just going to take Guilt Trip, basically. Guilt Trip, which is right here, this third color. Am I going to take that color? No, I'm not going to take that color because it's too light. So I'm going to take Coin. Actually, no. I'm going to take Classified, which is right here. And I'm going to put that all over my lid. Y'all don't know how I just picked that up. I just dug in. And I'm just going to put it all over my lid. So I know the shimmers in this was going to be good. Because obviously, swatching it in the store, they come off really good. And that's with no spray. So I'm pretty sure with spray, it will come off so much more pigmented. Or so much more shinier. Like, it's almost pressed in here like a pigment, because I dug in there to like break the surface, which is what I normally do on shimmers that are like pressed really hard. I normally just dig right in and just flake it up a bit so I can pick up more of the pigment. Except for my Norvina palette by ABH, I don't have to do that. I literally just pat my brush in and it picks up. But yeah, so this is it so far. Hopefully you can see that. You know, it's up to you. I'm pretty sure in our collection we have so many colors that actually look alike, especially if you're a makeup hoarder like I am. I'm pretty sure. Well, honestly, I can't do this. I was about to say it almost looked like my Tarte pigment, which is right here, but it really doesn't. Like, this is it right here. Like, this is nice color, and this is the color Top Yacht. I'm gonna take again my M573, and I'm gonna take the color here called Prowl, which is a dark brown in the color palette, and just put it on this outer edge right here. Probably should have took another small brush, but does it look like a floating head? Maybe. So we have officially put on our lashes, and these are it so far. I have a video on these lashes. These are the Visor Free in the style R01. So cute. Anyway, so now I'm just gonna take, I guess I'm gonna take this color Agent because I haven't used that one. And I take a smudger brush by Morphe again, and I'm just gonna place it underneath my eye. Oh, look at the face of makeup. And then we're just gonna take Prowl, which is right here, and we're just gonna put it like underneath that to like deepen it up a little bit. Just with a little brush of M14. Yeah, M14. I'm just going to mix those two colors together. And then I'm just going to take some mascara. Some luminous. Is it called luminous? Fine. Anyway, that looks so much better. So much cuter. And I haven't done my mascara. Well, not my mascara. I haven't done my highlighter, so I'm just gonna be taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Emerald highlight, which is about to come back in stock. What, the 13th of November, something like that. Whatever. I'm just gonna put this on my cheeks really lightly because I don't want to be too highlighted today. I just want my eyes to be the focus. And sometimes I say that and then I become like so blinded. But yeah. ColourPop K lip liner. And outline of my lips. And then you know what it is. I'm taking my Maybelline Truffle Tease and putting that all over my lips. And then on top of that, I'm going to take Angel by MAC. because I wanted a little bit more pink. This came out more grayish, more gray tone. So this is it. This is the finished look, and hopefully you like it. I'm gonna take, yeah. See you later. Bye.